Hey everyone, welcome back to Automotive, the place where we bring you the latest in trucks, tech, and talk. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new 2025 Ford 1/2-ton pickup, and let me tell you right now, this is not just a refresh. Ford has packed this thing with updates that go beyond just a new face and a few gadgets. Whether you're already a Ford fan or just shopping around in the half-ton segment, this truck demands your attention. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ford 1/2-ton doesn't just look tougher, it is tougher. The front grille has been completely reimagined, and depending on the trim, you're getting everything from blacked-out accents to chrome-drenched detail. The LED lighting system has been sharpened up, giving it a meaner, more aggressive road presence, especially at night. Even the fenders are a bit more pronounced, giving this truck a bolder, planted stance. Now, let's pop the hood. Ford is continuing to give buyers a ton of options, starting with the tried-and-true 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. It's quick, efficient, and for most drivers, more than enough grunt. But if you want to step it up, there's the 3.5-liter EcoBoost, the 5.0-liter V8, which Ford refuses to retire, thank God, and the 3.5-liter PowerBoost Hybrid. And yes, the hybrid is back and better than ever, now delivering more torque and better fuel economy than last year's model. One of the standout changes for 2025 is how smart this truck has become. The onboard tech is no joke. Every trim now comes standard with Ford's Sync 5 system, that's right, Sync 5, displayed on a crisp, ultra-responsive 12-inch touchscreen. It's faster, more intuitive, and fully supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized for towing, off-roading, or just plain daily driving. And if you're the kind of driver who likes to keep an eye on everything, tire pressures, trailer status, navigation, music, this truck has you covered. And speaking of towing, Ford hasn't forgotten what matters to real truck buyers. The 2025 model offers up to 13,500 pounds of towing capacity when properly equipped. That puts it right at the top of the class. There's also a new trailer reverse assist system that uses cameras and AI to make backing up a trailer a one-person job. You don't have to be a seasoned pro anymore, this truck does the thinking for you. The interior is another area where Ford really leveled up. The materials feel more premium across the board. Whether you're in the XL work truck or the high-end limited trim, everything feels solid, purposeful, and refined. The seats have been redesigned for better long-haul comfort, and the rear seat in the Super Crew offers tons of legroom and hidden storage under the bench. You can even fold the rear seats flat to create a mini cargo bay if you're hauling gear and not people. Ford also added a few neat tricks for folks who work out of their truck. The tailgate now includes an optional integrated work surface, complete with measurement markings, cup holders, and even a phone holder. There's also Pro Power onboard available again, with up to 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power, letting you run tools, appliances, or even your campsite right off the truck. Now let's talk about driving feel. The ride on the 2025 Ford 1/2-ton is smoother than ever. There's a noticeable improvement in road isolation, and the steering has a more connected feel. Whether you're cruising on the highway or crawling through a job site, the truck feels stable and confident. There's also an optional adaptive suspension on higher trims that automatically adjusts for load, terrain, and driving style. Pretty impressive stuff. Fuel economy has also seen some gains, especially with the hybrid and EcoBoost options. Ford's engineers worked hard on weight savings and aerodynamics, even down to the wheel design, and it shows. You're getting better range without sacrificing power, and that's something every truck owner can appreciate in today's fuel climate. In short, the 2025 Ford 1/2-ton pickup is a serious contender in a highly competitive market. It's smarter, stronger, more capable, and more connected than ever before. Ford clearly listened to customer feedback and delivered a truck that doesn't just keep up, it leads. If you're in the market for a half-ton, this is one to put at the top of your test drive list. Whether you're towing, hauling, commuting, or just love the freedom a truck brings, the 2025 Ford 1/2-ton pickup brings a lot to the table. Thanks for watching today's breakdown. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. What do you think about the 2025 Ford 1/2-ton? Would you pick this over a Silverado, Ram, or Tundra? Let us know. This is Automotive, and we'll see you in the next ride.